with the name of Allah. You are welcome in second online lecture in cost accounting. In this lecture, we'll discuss process costing system, weighted average costing in a next process. In the last lecture, we had studied weighted average costing method in the first process. If a company has three processes A, B, and C, a unit in process A needs manufacturing costs, for example, £10. A unit is transferred from process A to process B with £10. This £10 is called transferred in cost. In process B, a unit needs manufacturing costs, for example, by £20. This £20 is called manufacturing costs. So, in process B, there are two kinds of costs: transferred in cost and manufacturing cost. £10 plus £20. Let us take example 1. One company has two processes A and B. The company uses weighted average process costing method. Consider the March 2020 data for physical units in process B. Beginning inventory 800 units, 30% complete for all cost elements. Units started during the month 5,000 units. Units completed and transferred out 4,300 units. Ending inventory 1,500 units. 20% complete for all cost elements. The process costs during March are as follows. Costs in process B that will be accounting for are costs of beginning inventory 24,000 transferred in costs and 90,000 manufacturing costs. Current costs 150,000 transferred in costs and 255,000 manufacturing costs. Required: prepare the production cost report under weighted average costing. To solve this example, the first step is preparing the flow of physical units that consists of two parts: inputs and outputs. Inputs are beginning inventory 800 units between brackets 30% completion degree plus units started 5,000. Total inputs equal 5,800 units. The second part are total outputs. Total outputs are units completed and transferred out 4,300 units plus ending inventory 1,500 units between brackets 20% the completion degree. Total outputs equal total inputs equal 5,800 units. The second step, the equivalent units that equal units completed and transferred out times 100% plus ending inventory times the completion degree. For the transferred in cost equal 4,300 units completed and transferred out times 100% plus ending inventory 1,500 units times 100%. The completion degree in transferred in cost must equal 100% because a unit will transferred from process A to process B must completed by 100%. So the completion degree in ending inventory equal 100%. The equivalent units equal 5,800 units. For the manufacturing costs, 4,300 units times 100% plus 1,500 units times 20% the completion degree in process B equal 4,600 units. The other three steps you can try them. Thank you. Goodbye.